what's going on, Winjas? This is your girl Maya, and I want to show you a new move today. New move alert, incorporating hip mobility, chest strength, tricep strength in the ape push-up. This is what you're gonna learn today. Ape push-up. Gangsta. Cue that intro. Let's hit it. Please make sure you subscribe and press that bell so you don't miss any content. Help me build this channel and spread this ape-alicious fitness love all over the place. Okay guys, we've talked about the ape before, which is basically a deep ass to grass squat. One of the easiest things you could do to increase your hip mobility is to sit in ape as much as you can. Challenge yourself to sit into this position for up to 5 minutes cumulatively throughout the day if you can, if you got tight hips. But if you're there and you're feeling good and you want to do some ape with some upper body strengthening and core strengthening, yo, you gotta try this move out. So I was playing around with some movements the other day and I was in ape and I went, woo, dropped it like it's hot and pushed myself up. Boom. What did I just do? My hips are like, whoo, cracking open. My chest is getting pumped. My triceps really had to be engaged and activated to push myself up. And in order to go back into ape without falling over, you have to engage your core. So totally all in one, such a beneficial movement that you can add into any part of your workout. So how do you do it is, nail your ape, okay? Get really deep in there, plant that heel, slowly lean your body forward, catch yourself on your hands, point the elbow back, and push up. It's like b-boy style, you know what I'm saying? Like, what? Freeze, and push. Be gangsta with it. Throw out a thug life. I had Dr. Dre beats on, and I was doing this, and I was feeling the movement, yo. So, drop it, and up. So, elbows are pointing to the back of the room, just skimming the knee as the knee pushes out in the deep ape. And you can travel with it too. So watch how I travel with it. Lateral ape, nail it, push up. Smell that mat. So I love that cue because I'm gonna bring my nose down to my mat. So you guys are using a gorilla mat. Absolutely love it because it has no smell. Check out the link below for a discount code. And it also doesn't slip. It's got this like extra uber softness, memory foam business. So check out how it looks from the side. I'm gonna do a push-up in ape, gangsta, lateral travel, nail that ape, back up, and to the other side. Oh my gosh, how many reps have I done? My triceps are like, damn! Hips, quads, ankles, foot action. All in one, primal movement, strength, and mobility. This is how I love to train. This is what I love to teach. So give that a try. Try moving in all the directions. Left, right. Try to see how many reps you can do. I would go for time. Try starting with 30 seconds at a time. Rest as needed so that you nail your form. So as soon as you find that your heel can't be planted, you're probably fatiguing out within the ankle or the hip. So just take a break, shake it out, do a couple shin boxes, yeah, to keep loose. Drop back into ape, push up. Don't just let your body flop over too. This is where the core strength comes in. So you need to have everything engaged. Even when I'm dropping, I'm doing it with control. Smell that mat, push it back, control and precision. That's how Winjas move. Ape, push. All right guys, give that a try. Comment, let me know how you do. We are here every Tuesday and every Friday. Tuesday and Friday. Make sure you come back for new content. I'll see you guys next time. New move alert. Oh, I pulled something.